Hi, I'm Sophie Uliano, author of the Gorgeously Green book series, and today I'm going to show you how to make an extremely simple and effective nail cuticle conditioning oil. Now, typically, this is something that you will go to the store and spend quite a lot of money on buying. You'll buy something that is probably less effective than what we're going to make today, and honestly, when you buy these things from the drugstore, they're full of a lot of toxic chemicals, preservatives and whatnot, that we really want to start trying not to use. So let's get started. You will need sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil. One is sandalwood and the other is cypress. So to get started, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil that you can get from almost any health food store. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. This really packs that conditioning punch for your cuticles. And then finally, I'm going to add 3 drops of sandalwood essential oil. This is my absolute favorite essential oil because it is so earthy and fragrant. It smells just beautiful. And then finally, we're going to add 3 drops of cypress essential oil. There we have it. Now I'm just going to swirl the oils around in this little measuring cup just to let the oils synergize, which means that they all blend beautifully. And then finally, I'm going to pour it into this little bottle. Now you can use any old medicine bottle or a lip balm pot, or basically any little bottle that you can get your hands on in the house. And I'm just going to very carefully pour this in. Now the reason I'm using this bottle here is because it has a dropper, and I really like the dropper bottle, particularly for the cuticle oil, because when you're ready to use it, you simply drop a little bit on each nail, massage in, leave for half an hour, or you can leave it for the night, and then your cuticles will be so soft and supple and also smell wonderful. So how easy was that? Nail conditioning cuticle oil, easy to make. Remember, you can always do it yourself and do it gorgeously.